Welcome to Story English Plus. Let's learn how to talk about your health in simple English. Why is health vocabulary important? Because we all talk about health in daily life. Doctor visits, how we feel, or helping others, we need words to explain. Basic health vocabulary. Sick, healthy, pain, fever, cold, medicine. How do you feel? Useful question. How do you feel? Responses. I feel sick. I'm not feeling well. I feel fine. Talking about pain. Where does it hurt? I have a headache. My back hurts. I have stomach pain. Talking about symptoms. I have a fever. I'm coughing. I have a runny nose. I feel dizzy. At the doctor's office. Common sentences. I'd like to see a doctor. I have an appointment. I'm here for a checkup. Describing health problems. I've been feeling tired. I can't sleep well. I lost my appetite. Giving basic medical history. I have diabetes. I had surgery last year. I'm allergic to penicillin. Talking about medication. I'm taking antibiotics. I need painkillers. This is my prescription. At the pharmacy. Can I get this medicine? Do you have something for a sore throat? Is it over the counter? Talking about recovery. I'm feeling better now. I'm getting stronger. I'm almost back to normal. Talking about mental health. I feel anxious. I'm under stress. I need to talk to someone. Preventing illness. I drink lots of water. I exercise daily. I eat healthy food. Daily habits for good health. I sleep 8 hours a night. I avoid junk food. I take vitamins. Talking about others' health. My sister is sick. My friend has a cold. My father is recovering well. Expressing concern. Get well soon. Take care of yourself. Hope you feel better. Small talk health. Have you been feeling okay? You look tired, are you alright? Everything okay with your health? Talking about doctors. He's a good doctor. She gave me great advice. I trust my family doctor. Going to the hospital. I went to the hospital yesterday. The nurse was helpful. I had some tests done. Emergencies. Call an ambulance. He's not breathing. She fainted. Talking about vaccines. I got my flu shot. Are vaccines safe? I had no side effects. Final tip. Don't be afraid to talk about your health in English. Keep learning, practicing, and staying healthy.